Honeymoon heroes named Doran and David who traveled from America to Spain jumping into a fire to save babies. Their main purpose was to just enjoy their special honeymoon, but got detoured. Today they are known as kind, unselfish heroes who saved lives. This big building full of babies, while the couple were just out sightseeing, they noticed a commotion.
I said, "Oh my God, there's a fire." And immediately Dave dropped his backpack and ran across the street into the building.
I just ran in and saw just a bunch of babies kind of like sleeping and screaming.
This building was a nursery. David and his wife went quickly and wheeled out the babies. Other people who were around also jumped in to help. They saved about 20 babies and toddlers while the building was full of smoke. Here's a couple after hours when they actually realized the kind and brave action they engaged in.
And we were like, remember that time that we just ran into a fire and saved a bunch of babies?
It is nice to know that I never have to worry if we're in an emergency. He's going to step up and take care of the situation.
And we have a cool story to tell our kids.
This will absolutely be an amazing story to tell their future kids. Much love and respect to these people right here, man. What's going on, YouTube family? My name is CheickMbaye, and I am highly dedicated and committed to bringing you guys great content that hopefully restores your faith in humanity and encourage you guys to be more kind and make this world a better place. So if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the next time I upload. Please comment what you think about this video and your favorite part. Please give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get right to this video. This very kind community came together to make sure that these two brothers, Jalen Gray and Julian Nicholson, had a place they call home after their mother sadly passed away. They are absolutely enjoying their time right now, but this wasn't always a safe place to call home. Their house and family have been hit with many series of tragic events, from Hurricane Harvey and ice storms from last year in 2021.
Pipes busted, and yeah, it's awful.
Prior to their mother sadly passing away, she asked Jalen to make a promise.
She told me under no circumstances should I sell the house. It's for me and my brother.
They were absolutely determined to fix the home, even with very, very limited funds. Jalen hired a contractor, and they were very scared.
I was certain that we're just going to lose it at one point.
But at a perfect time, this organization called Katie Response came to the picture when they heard about the boy's struggle.
When I met him, I knew that he was a man of good character and wanted only to do for his little brother. And how could you not want to step up?
These volunteers completely renovated the home, and recently the boys had an emotional reveal after the job finished.
I was honestly lost for words. I didn't think that there would be, these really good people who would do all this stuff.
It just choked me up to see everything was so different. Especially walking into my room, which used to be our parents' room. That broke me. It's overwhelmed with memories.
But very appreciative for those people who came in to help them when they lost all hope.
I don't know what to say. I'm blessed by that because he's a blessing to us.
Young Julian recently started 7th grade, and 22-year-old Jalen is ready to do whatever it takes.
It's my driving force. Use my reason, 100%.
They are extremely grateful for the kindness of these complete strangers.
They went over and beyond. I could never say thank you enough for them.
This teenager named Leo Kaufman, who is a fire cadet, jumped into action to save someone's life in a life or death situation.
This is quite an incredible example of someone stepping up, one of our LAFD cadets, going above and beyond that expectation.
A year ago, Leo was only 17 years old when he witnessed a horrific car accident, and that was the very moment he jumped into action without any hesitation. He started from chest compression.
I actually wasn't very nervous. I just tunnel vision kind of. I focused on my training, what I was taught, and I just performed the CPR, the compressions.
That moment of CPR most likely saved this gentleman's life.
If he wasn't there, I wouldn't be here.
We always knew somebody, a Pacific person, stepped up and saved Dad's life, but we never got to meet them.
But that changed recently after Dennis's long road of recovery. He got the opportunity to meet Leo.
You were laying right here.
On the 1-year anniversary of the accident, we met up with Leo at the site, and he kind of walked us through everything.
This family is so grateful for Leo and his action.
It's because of Leo's fearlessness to jump into action, his wisdom, his strength, and his selflessness that Dad's body did not suffer from lack of oxygen. He saved my dad's life, not just physically, but in full mind and spirit as well. Leo, you will forever be remembered as a hero.
Grateful that I was there at the right time and place.
What this group of kind strangers did for their new neighbor will completely surprise you. Meet Blake and Madison, who recently moved their young family to North Carolina. They were ready to have their property looking clean. They purchased a small affordable mower to trim their grass, but surely it wasn't enough for their big land. As you can see Blake with his baby girl Nora on his back, getting the job done. He was at it for hours, but a fraction of the job wasn't even done.
I realized it was going to be quite a task once I got started.
Wife Madison was inside watching their son, but when she suddenly looked outside and saw a group of people that she don't even know helping, she was shocked.
I just want to say people are so good. Just got out of the shower, peeked out the window to see if Blake had made any progress. Figured he'd still have like 5 hours left, and I see this.
The whole group came out to help when they noticed a man struggling with a baby on his back.
They just showed up randomly, not expecting anything from us, just completely out of the kindness of their hearts.
Eventually found out that the strangers were their new next door neighbors.
I was drawn toward the baby on his back, and he was working so hard with this push mower.
It was the right thing to do. We were just thinking that maybe we could help him out any best way we could.
This kind gesture overwhelmed the family. Madison recorded it and it recently went viral on social media.
It's pretty incredible, and it makes us want to be the same way and do the same thing for our neighbors.
These neighbors are definitely off to a good start. This is incredibly kind. This is exactly how it should be. We should always look out for people who need our help and help however way we can, even if it's a small gesture of kindness. But my friends and family, if you made it up to this point in this video, you are a true legend. I want to take this time really to thank you so much for the privilege of your time. It really means a lot. These videos take a lot of time to put together, but let's continue to spread love every single day and try to make this world a better place. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the next time I upload. Comment what you think about this video and your favorite part. Please give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.